This video walks you through how to enable two-factor authentication in Wave. Start from your Wave account while you are already signed in. In the upper right corner of the screen, click your business or account menu to open the account options. From that menu, select Profile Settings. This will take you into the area where your personal and account security options are managed. Once you are on the Profile Settings page, look to the menu on the left side, click Password and Security. That section includes the settings related to sign-in protection, including the option for two-factor authentication. Scroll down until you reach the two-factor authentication section. Here, Wave shows the available methods you can use for extra verification when signing in. You will see two options. One is Sign in with Authenticator app, and the other is Sign in with phone number. Choose the method you want to use before moving forward. If you want to use an Authenticator app, click Set up Authenticator app. Wave will then guide you through the setup on screen. Follow each prompt as it appears to connect your Authenticator app and finish the setup process. The exact screens may vary slightly, but the steps will be shown directly in your Wave account. If you prefer to use your phone number instead, click Set up phone number. A window labeled Add phone number will appear. Enter your phone number in the field provided. Before you continue, check the box labeled I agree to the above. This accepts the required terms for receiving one-time verification codes by phone. After that, click Continue. Wave will send a one-time verification code to the phone number you entered. When the code arrives, enter it in the verification field. Then complete any remaining on-screen verification steps that Wave presents. If the code does not arrive immediately, wait a moment and then continue once it appears. When the setup process finishes, return to the two-factor authentication section and confirm that the method you selected is shown as active. This is the final check that the feature has been enabled for your account and that the sign-in method you chose is now in place. If you used an Authenticator app, the active status should appear under that method. If you used your phone number, the phone-based sign-in method should appear there instead. Make sure the active label matches the option you intended to set up before you leave the page. Thanks for watching. Two-factor authentication is now active in your Wave account.